Hi guys, today I'm sitting inside the Kia Picanto second generation, which was made from 2011 to 2017. Let's go to the fuel flap side. Fuel flap is closed, so let's go to the driver side, open door and check the floor. There is next to the driver's seat the small lever which you must to pull up like that, and then your fuel flap should be open. And yes, it's open already. Just pull and unscrew a cap. If you want to shut, just simply push it until you hear the click. All done. Thank you for watching. Happy driving, Kia Picanto.